I'm financial coach Sparkle, but you may know me as musical artist Karma Soleil, and this is Financially Sparkling, where I teach you to fire in your finances and to sparkle in your life. As usual, get your notebooks and let's get into today's topic. So today's topic is about debt. So I'm going to help you manage your debt today by giving you some advice and some tips. I know nobody likes debt, but we've got to understand how to prevent it and how to get out of it when we're in it. So I'm going to go over this list to help you manage your debt better. Some of it requires you to do a bit of simple math to understand the best way to reduce your debt. Keep in mind, this is general information because each person's financial situation is different. Now, if you need help with this, I strongly advise getting help from a financial coach or a financial planner or financial advisor. We can help you find the best strategy to pay off debt, give you a plan to tackle this beast to help you live a comfortable life without money worries. But if you can't afford professional help and want to DIY this yourself, YouTube is a great resource. Fantastic Finances is one of my favorite YouTubers that explains easily how to do this yourself. So let's get into the guide to help you eliminate debt. Now, this will also increase your credit score gradually, so it's a win-win. So number one on my list is relax. You're here to fix this and you will. Relax, okay? Number two, don't add more debt. I know I probably shouldn't have to say this, but don't add more debt. You're trying to get out of debt and you don't want to add more debt on the top of the debt you're trying to get out of. Number three, find a loan or credit card with low interest rates. Now, this is before we're preventing. So these are tips on how to prevent and get out of debt, okay? Number four, pay your bills on time. It's so critical and important. You have to do that. Number five, pay off a little more than the minimum amount. If you can afford to pay more than one payment, do it. Your future self will thank you later. Number six, focus on paying the high interest rates accounts first. These are the accounts that are causing you the most debt. Have your pay off debt money go to these accounts. Number seven, pay off the small debt amounts quickly. Sometimes there'll be very small amounts of debt that you can pay off in a day, a week, a month. I recommend that you do this now because one, they're quick and easy. The dopamine hit you'll receive from removing this debt will make you so high with joy, and it will prepare you mentally that you can, in fact, remove debt from your life. Your credit score will also increase too. You'll thank yourself later. And for number two, you won't be adding more debt to pay off while you're focusing on the big debt items. A clean slate of debt removal. Number eight, always read and understand the terms and conditions of your loan or credit card first so that you know the penalties and how to avoid them. It is important to know what you're signing. I cannot stress this enough. So many people just click yes, I agree, but they don't know what they're agreeing to. Please read. You have been blessed with eyes if you have them, or whatever it is, read. It's a wondrous skill that can protect you. Number nine, contact your lender or creditor or issuer to see if you can refinance or renegotiate the terms of your lending agreement. Some institutions are very strict, but others are willing to work with you. Call and find out. You'll never know if you don't try. 10, check if the student loan forgiveness programs and income-based repayment programs that can help you if you have student loans. So if you currently have a student loan right now and you know the company, check what their system is. Sometimes they do have programs that can help you pay this off faster and, work with you through this. Number 11, Make a simple budget. I know. Most people get turned off by the word budget. So think of this as know where your money is going. I'll always say this, where's my money at? You gotta know where your money is going and how much of it you have. Most of the things you buy, you probably don't actually need. Most people need food. No, you don't need the filet mignon or the lobster. You just need food, healthy food. Water, your home, your apartment, electricity, internet, transportation, like public transit or car. Those are the things we all need in this day and age. Everything else is just a desire or an accessory. You can live without all of those desires until you can afford them. You just have to shift your mindset for a temporary amount of time. Trust me, the goal is to be financially free, not financially enslaved. Well, that's it for today. You can find all of this information on my blog. The link is in the description below. And as usual, everything is free except my time. I do offer private one-on-one consultations at a very low cost, meaning if you need some help with your personal finances, you can always book a session with me through Fiverr. We'll see you next time and keep sparkling.